Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You need the latest Bgmi and background permissions. Once those are confirmed, you can start. Open Bgmi and go straight to Settings, then Gameplay. You will see sleep mode options under Power and Downtime Controls. Tap to enter the setup screen. Make sure you are on a stable network since the game saves settings to your account. Once done, keep the game open long enough for the UI to show the sleep mode preview so you know the toggle is responsive. You will enable the sleep mode toggle and pick a duration. Short durations conserve battery, longer ones keep you invisible longer. Once enabled, choose permitted notifications and whether friend invites or match invites should break sleep. These settings control gameplay interruptions. Make sure to set auto-resume behavior so the game either wakes on input or after time ends. You should also enable battery conserve mode if you want lower CPU use, because that reduces heat and preserves device charge during sleep. Save your changes and run a short test cycle to confirm sleep mode activates. You should see the game reduce activity and mute match invitations based on your choices. If sleep mode doesn't engage, force restart Bgmi and retry. Sometimes cached processes block new settings. Once done, verify OS level notification and background activity permissions. If those are restricted, the feature won't work. A final tip: clear app cache only if settings repeatedly fail, because that forces a fresh configuration load.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.